When we are programming in Java, variables are everywhere. So it's important to describe what they are and how to create and use them in our programs. Variable in Java is a memory location that has a name and can be assigned a value. This value can later be changed during the execution of program. There are several steps to create and use a variable. When we need to declare and initialize a variable in Java, the first step is to define a data type. This can be an integer for storing numeric values, string for storing the sequence of characters, including words, names, etc., or any other data type. Next, we need to define the name of our variable. We can choose any name, but in general, it is a good practice to choose short, self-descriptive variable names. After this, we can use equality operator to assign a value to our variable. As we see the example, there is an integer declared that is called num, which is assigned to a numeric value 12. Now let's open our editor and see the example from previous lesson. You can view the link to previous lesson on the pop-up on the video. So we will continue writing this small program, hello world program. Now we declare a variable of type string. We call this variable message and assign the value hello world. We will remove the string literal from println method and instead we pass the message variable to it directly. Now let's define another variable of type int. This is integer, and int is a primitive variable. We will review what primitive variables mean in the next sessions. For now, we can say that an integer is storing a numeric value. So we call this variable age, and let's assign number 22. So now I will create systemout.println method, and I will print im space plus age variable plus inside quotation marks we write space and then years old. The plus sign is used to concatenate the value of the integer with the string literal. And after executing the main method, we can see the output printed on the console. These are the basics of declaring, initializing, and using variables in Java. In the next videos, we will see more about variables and we will review more interesting details. Thank you for watching. See you next time.